Hello everyone, I'm Lubomira and thank you for joining me for day 4 of my holiday card series. If you are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you, and if you are returning, I really appreciate you taking the time to join me on this crafty adventure. Now that you are here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. By hitting that little bell, you'll never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today I'm sharing a cute cat-themed card using the InkOn3 stamp set Kitty Snow Day. Those that have been around my channel for a while know I have several fur balls in my life, and I can't say no to a good cat-themed stamp. My card-making style tends to lean toward the simple, clean look, and that's what I wanted to achieve with this design. I started off with stamping my image in black ink using my Misty, and then coloring the image in using Copic Markers. For a list of those colors and all my supplies, please see the description below. This was fairly a small image, so I didn't do an enormous amount of shading, but rather kept it simple. Off camera, I cut out my image using my electric die cut machine, although I could have fussy cut this image by hand. I chose a light purple shade of cardstock for my matte panel to coordinate with the colors I used in my coloring. I attached that panel to my card base and moved on to create the back panel my image would be popped up on top of. Trimmed the back panel by 3/4 of an inch from both the top and the bottom of the panel. This would give me a really nice thick border. To add some color, I used the residual ink left on my blue and purple blending brushes to add a small circle of color to the middle of my panel. Yes, my brushes are a little dirty, but they're perfect for moments like this. The color I added will make the image stand out more. You guys know I love sparkle. I used some of glitter paper, and yes, this is the same cardstock I've been nursing for the last 2 or 3 years. I can't seem to find the right replacement for it, so I preserve every little bit of scrap I can. One of these days, I hope I can find a replacement. I wanted to give my image a foundation, so I cut a little snow hill. Before attaching my snow hill and then my wintry friends with some foam tape, I added a stitched border around the panel so it had a more finished look. Lately, I really enjoy adding stitched borders to my cards. Next, I wanted to give the background a little bit more interest with snow. So I grabbed a background die. This happened to be the Lawn Fawn Snowy Backdrop die, and ran some of my scraps through the die cut machine to create some confetti. Once I had my confetti, I glued the pieces down randomly around my image. Now, if you don't have a die like this, you can hand draw dots or add glitter dots or even stencil in some snow onto the background before adding the image. Added a heat embossed sentiment directly to the front of the panel using silver embossing powder. I used the Let It Snow sentiment from the Kitty Snow Day stamp set. I placed my panel into my MISTI and treated the area I was going to stamp in with an anti-static tool. Then I stamped the words in Versamark ink before adding the embossing powder and heat setting it with my heat gun. To finish the card, I attached the panel to my card base using foam tape. And that's it for this card. So what do you think? I just can't get over how cute this stamp set is. I love these little kitties so much. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will be back with day 5 of the holiday card series tomorrow. Until then, have a wonderful night, and I hope life treats you kindly. Take care. Bye.